Hello viewers, welcome to Raxio Hour, where we bring you the latest developments happening at Uganda's first certified Tier 3 and truly carrier-neutral data center facility. Ho ho ho! The festive season is here. With just 1 week to Christmas Day, we take this opportunity to wish you happy holidays from all of us here at Raxio Data Centre. The year 2020 has undoubtedly been an extremely challenging year, with the coronavirus pandemic disrupting and impacting all aspects of the global economy. As 2020 nears completion, we take a look back and reflect on the definitive moments at Raxio Data Centre. The month of March saw the data center facility take shape as roofing works commenced. The rock-wool roof panels used offer superior thermal insulation, fire resistance, filtration, and soundproof capacity. In April, Raxio Data Centre signed a pact to host the Uganda Internet Exchange Point, which allows networks to directly interconnect and freely exchange data traffic at a common point, making the internet cheaper, faster, and more reliable. May was the month for unveiling our local fiber carrier partners that will provide geographical physical redundancy and diversity to support our customers' critical business operations. June marked the placement of 2 power backup generators, each with the capacity to generate 1,200 kilowatts of power, enabling redundancy and availability and ensuring 99.9% uptime all the time. Then in July, we received operational critical power equipment from Umeme. This power infrastructure guarantees operations at the highest uptime possible. The month of August, we received the Indirect Adiabatic Cooling System (IACs), which is the main cooling system for the data center. On 7th September, we welcomed a team of highly qualified professionals to oversee work operations at Raxio Data Center in preparation for the official launch of operations. 14th September, we officially unveiled our reseller partners who will extend bite size to their clients across different market segments. November 5th, Raxio Group acquired land to construct Ethiopia's first data center, announcing plans to expand to other countries. November 10th, Raxio Data Centre officially becomes the first Tier 3 certified data center facility in Uganda after receiving the Uptime Institute Tier 3 certification. November 27th saw the launch of the Twewale COVID-19 campaign, a clarion call and reminder to all stakeholders about the increasing threat of coronavirus, urging the public to follow the Ministry of Health standard operating procedures, wear a mask, avoid crowds, practice social distancing, and frequently wash and sanitize your hands to protect yourself and loved ones. December 1st, delivery and placement of key components that make up power systems of the data center. This included 2 power transformers and the 15,000-litre diesel tanks that will supply fuel to power up the generators. And recently, on December 14th, placement of the reverse osmosis water purification plant to supply treated water to the adiabatic coolers. This plant filters water, removing impurities that could cause contamination and equipment failure, leading to outages. As we wrap up 2020, we look forward to even more milestones in 2021. Now let's head to Nama, the industrial park, for a sneak peek at the latest drone footage capturing a spectacular aerial view of the world-class data center facility in its final construction phase. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Twewale COVID-19, stay safe and happy holidays.